Michael Joseph has stepped down as Safaricom chair after 3 years, but will continue to be a director with the company. John Ngumi, who currently chairs the Industrial and Commercial Development Corporation, will take over the chairmanship of the Safaricom from next month. Safaricom has applied for a mobile money license in Ethiopia and is awaiting regulatory approval. In August 2020, Safaricom appointed Michael Joseph as the chair of its board of directors following the retirement of Nicholas Nganga, who served for 16 years on the board of Safaricom. Michael was previously the CEO of Safaricom from July 2000 to November 2010 and then again as acting CEO from July 2019 to March 2020. Michael has been serving as a non-executive board member since 2008. Today, Safaricom announced the appointment of John Ngumi as the chairman of its board effective from next month. Michael told shareholders at the Safaricom AGM that it was his personal decision to step down as chairman of the telco to focus more on the Ethiopian business and the Kenya Airways role. Safaricom is in talks with the Ethiopian government to operationalize mobile money services in the country.
We've made progress too with Ethiotel in establishing a mutually beneficial partnership for interconnection and transmission capacity, as well as tower and power sharing.
Michael assured that the telco is well prepared for the upcoming general election, as about 98% of polling stations are covered by 3G and 4G network.
All prepared for the elections in terms of both our network, which is protected, and we have a network freeze starting a day before the election, so no changes in the network. All our base stations have backup generators. I must say that we cover almost 98% of the polling stations. I believe only 700 polling stations are not covered by our 4G or 3G network.
Ndego has moved to calm investors' jitters over the falling value of Safaricom shares at the Nairobi Securities Exchange, adding that the decline is part of the global trend due to the elevated geopolitical and macroeconomic environment.
I know there is apprehension about our stock that has declined since the peaking in August 2021. Our prominence on the Securities Exchange as the most liquid stock in the market sometimes make the stock susceptible to global portfolio shifts.